The water supply is critical around the globe. The vast majority of the fresh water is underground, and so we have to be able to bring that water to the surface. People are looking to Franklin Electric for their answer. Back in 1944, Franklin Electric was founded by T. Wayne Kehoe and Mr. Ed Schaefer. Franklin really found its footing with the submersible electric motor, which was developed in the early 1950s by Mr. Schaefer. We're now the world leader in submersible electric motors. Franklin Electric started in the fuel business in 1988. Now we have one of the most sophisticated fuel management systems out in the marketplace today.
A Franklin system consists really of three components. It consists of a motor, a type of a pump, and then some sort of a drive system.
We have a group of people here that do pumps. We have a group of people here that do motors. We have a group of people here that do electronics. And we aren't sitting in separate silos. We do all of that under one roof. We work in the same laboratory. So what we bring to the customer is a complete solution, thought out from the beginning to the end, engineered as pieces that work together.
When I came to the company in 1988, the 5 key factors for success were clearly identified as being the factors that differentiate Franklin from our competitors. You can call it part of our strategy, but really it's part of our culture.
It's a shorthand way to make sure that we are consistently doing the right thing.
So we first focused on quality, because we're putting a submersible motor and pump system deep into the ground. So it's not just a nice to have, it's a have to have.
It seems like everybody has quality in their annual report, but if you actually look at Franklin products, if you take them apart, there is no better way to build a submersible motor than the way that Franklin Electric builds one.
And then you got to have availability, because if you don't have availability, then somebody else is going to get that sale.
We can have the best quality product, it can be priced the lowest, we can provide the most training and customer service, it can be the most innovative product out there. But if we don't have it on our shelf when the customer needs it, we're not going to get the sale.
We have to support the industry with service. Our installers make better installations, they make more money, people look to Franklin as being their solution provider, and that allows us to grow our market share as well.
I think that's the main reason a lot of folks do business with us, is because they know when they get into trouble, they're going to have somebody that's going to come out and help them.
Innovation is a key factor for success because our customers are looking to us for the answers today and also for the future. People are looking for solutions. And if we're the innovators, we can provide those solutions to our customers, they're going to continue to come back to us as being their solution provider. And we have to do that at a competitive cost, at a good value.
And the reason why that's important is that our customers know that they have one company to come back to for any issues that occur, but more importantly, for assistance in doing and developing other product lines for them.
Execution of our key factors for success has absolutely contributed to our success in North America and in developing markets.
The fact is that if we execute key factors for success at a high level, the result are highly satisfied customers.
Franklin Electric's key factors for success are part of our DNA. They're really part of the foundation of this company, and it's the foundation of this company on which we grow from. If we just execute on these key factors and we execute on them in order, we will lead the market.